Hello everybody, how are you all? I hope you are doing great. Once again, welcome to you all in my YouTube channel. In the series of the lecture, we will be completing entire syllabus of Class 7 Science NCERT. Here we have done the discussion of acids, bases and salts and their types in our previous video. So in the second part of the video, we are going to discuss about indicators, neutralization reaction and their uses in our day-to-day life. So let's get started. But if you haven't seen the first part of the video, please go and watch. And after watching it, you would be able to understand the concept well, isn't it? So without much delay, let's come to the topic. As we all know that the turmeric is a natural indicator like litmus paper. So let us understand how do we use turmeric as a indicator. So to use turmeric as an indicator, it is generally mixed with water to form a paste, which is then put on blotting paper and dried to form thin strips of turmeric paper. As like litmus paper, we have two types of strips, that is red and blue in color. So the turmeric paper is then put into the solution in order to determine their acidity or alkaline nature. Okay, so how do we check? Take turmeric paper and apply some vinegar solution on it. So after that, the turmeric paper will remain yellow. Okay, it means vinegar is acidic in nature. And after that, take a soap solution and just put some soap solution into the turmeric paper. After that, what happened? You will see there is a red spot appear. The yellow color will change into the red color where you have applied the soap solution. It means that the soap solution is basic in nature. So with the help of the turmeric paper, we can check whether the solution is acidic or basic in nature, as you can see in the picture. Now we'll talk about the China rose. China rose petals are kept in warm water and a colored solution is obtained from that. We can take out the China rose petals and keep into the warm water. After 5 to 10 minutes, you will get your China rose solution. And with the help of the China rose solution, we can check whether the given substance is acidic or basic in nature. If we'll put some acidic solution into the China rose indicator, the color will change. The light pink color will change into the dark pink color. It means the solution is acidic in nature. And if we'll put some basic solution into the China rose indicator, the light pink color will change into the dark green color. Okay, it means the given solution is basic in nature. So with the help of the China rose indicator, we can check whether the solution is acidic or basic. Now we'll talk about acid rain. What is acid rain? When the rainwater has increased amount of acid in it, it is called acid rain. The acid rain is formed because of the presence of air pollutant such as nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide in the air. These pollutants mix with the rainwater and react with the rainwater and they form nitric acid. The nitrogen oxide turn into nitric acid, sulfur dioxide will turn into sulfuric acid and carbon dioxide will turn into the carbonic acid respectively. The acid rain severely affect the vegetation, animal life and even buildings of the region where it falls. As you can see the examples for some monuments, and they get affected by the acid rain because the color of the building will change due to the acid rain. Here you can see in the pictures, okay, carbonic acid, sulfuric acid, they all are falling in the form of the rain and they will damage our buildings, our plants and our animals also. So acid rain is not good for us at all, right? Now we'll talk about the pH scale. What is pH scale? It is a tool of measuring acids and bases. Okay, the scale ranges from 0 to 14. And what is the full form of pH scale? You did not ask me. The pH scale stands for potential of hydrogen. Make a note of it that the full form of pH is potential of hydrogen. A pH of 7 is neutral. A pH less than 7 is acidic and greater than 7 is basic in nature. Here you can see in the picture there is a scale and there are some numbers from 0 to 14. And if the number will come 7, it means it is a neutral. And a pH less than 7 is known as acidic and more than 7 is basic in nature. So with the help of the pH scale, we can understand the pH value of the substance. Now we'll talk about neutralization reaction. What is neutralization reaction? So when base react with acid to produce salt and water, this is called neutralization reaction. Okay. So neutralization is a process or a chemical reaction in which an acidic and basic substances is mixed with each other in order to neutralize their acidic and alkaline nature. You can see in the picture also, when we will mix the acid and base to each other, they will release salt and water. The product that is formed after the neutralization process is called a salt. The neutralization process results in the generation of heat which raises the temperature of reacting mixture. So you can write in the form of the equation like acid plus base resultant water and salt. HCl plus NaOH is formed H2O and NaCl. NaCl is a common salt, sodium chloride. Okay. Now we'll talk about a synthetic indicator. A synthetic indicator often used for testing neutralization reaction is phenolphthalein solution. As we all know that the phenolphthalein is a synthetic indicator and it is pink in color or mauve color, right? When an acid is added to phenolphthalein solution, the solution turns colorless and indicating the presence of acid. If the mauve color will change into the colorless, it means acid is present. Okay. When a base is added to phenolphthalein solution, the solution retains its pink color, it indicating the presence of base. And if the mauve color will remain same, it means there is a base. So with the help of the phenolphthalein solution, we can check their nature, whether it is acidic or basic. Now we'll talk about some neutralization reaction that we observe in our daily life, right? First is indigestion. We might have experienced about it, indigestion. We know that our stomach produces hydrochloric acid which helps in digestion of food. But sometimes the stomach releases too much acid which leads to indigestion or sometimes hyperacidity. What happens in acidity? We feel burning sensation, we feel uneasiness. So this is all about indigestion, and just because of the too much acid release in our stomach. So hence we need to neutralize this acid by taking substances that are basic in nature, commonly known as antacid. To get relief from the indigestion, we used to take digene, pudin hara. So these all are antacid which will react with the acid and which will neutralize the effect. Okay. So for example, milk of magnesia is a basic substance that can neutralize the acid of stomach, right? Now we'll talk about ant bite. You might have experienced about the ant bite. The irritation of the skin due to ant bite is caused because of the presence of formic acid. After the ant bite, we feel itching, right? So we feel itching just because of the formic acid which is releases from the ant sting. Okay. Hence we use a basic substance to neutralize the effect. So after ant bite, if we want to get relief from it, simply apply the baking soda on it, and after some time you will get relief from the itching. Okay, for example, baking soda or hydrogen carbonate, calamine solution or zinc carbonate are generally used to treat ant bite, right? So next time if you will get ant bite, just apply some baking soda to get relief from it. Now we'll talk about soil treatment. The soil may be acidic or basic naturally. The plants do not grow well if the soil at a place is too acidic or too basic. Excessive use of chemical fertilizer makes the soil acidic. When the soil is too acidic, it is treated with bases like quicklime or slaked lime. These bases neutralize the excess acid present in the soil and reduce its acidic nature. If the soil is basic, organic matter called manure or compost is added to it. The organic matter releases acids which neutralize the excess bases present in the soil and reduce its basic nature. So with the help of the quicklime and slaked lime, we can treat the acidic nature of soil, and with the help of the organic manure which we get from the fruits, from the vegetable, we can treat the basic nature of the soil. So by this we can get our healthy soil which is good for the plant, right? Now we'll talk about protecting teeth. It is one of the best common application of neutralization of acid is the toothpaste. We used to brush our teeth twice in a day, right? Toothpaste contains an alkali that neutralizes weak acid produced by bacteria and prevent tooth damage. With the help of the toothpaste, with the help of the brushing, we keep our teeth healthy, right? Now we'll talk about factory waste. The waste substances discharged by many factories contain acids. If these factory waste are allowed to flow into the water bodies like river, pond, lakes, then the acid present in them will kill fish and other organisms which live in the water body. It will affect the aquatic life, correct? The factory waste are therefore neutralized by adding basic substances before discharging them into water bodies. So like soil treatment, we have water treatment also. So after treating the pollutant water, we can release it into the water bodies so that they cannot affect our aquatic animals. Okay, so they all are the common example of the neutralization reaction that we observe in our day-to-day life. So with this guys, we are gonna end up the session. Feel free to ask your doubts in the comment section. I really hope you will like this video and it does help in some way to ignite your knowledge. So bye bye, take care, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel to get more updates of the future videos. Until we're meeting, take care of yourself, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.